We are for Ken, we are for truth, justice for all. Any other just or any nana ekia in Triwa. Ebusia akwaba and confirm my name dedicated to any traders so I know like no one share no subscribe and so Eddie Amami. Now Ebusia Kelvin Taylor ever bontain ever can sembi. Na ne nsem a waka na wo che say e papa compare ko camp no obi aba no ho na wo information won so de say ya papa compare ko ni pa say Dr. Bawumia ebe ready ye promise no mo ko na emom so mo kwa na say ni omo ready a o meso say ye pray say ebe tia se dia unless say ya papa compare ko say ne ka wa bo campaign mu nyina no ene Dr. Bawumia ntuama na nsa na kuma to ne yem saka bi tela kasa se media na kese wo patch say papa compare ko and the time for adjun a diagro. Someone in the will be ultimate TV so now says this is what are going on ever compare when they come. And not so my chairman, Mr. Befeja Babonte, the Casina. Yet you are very ma OG so ever cacron so I can family information they bring on also a person the Bible to amount for the ministry who say and Yama air so ever sumaseno. A so change the yeti. Ebusia coming home na yampa homani so na yama yenya bema OG akaba. Hello, OG, I'm Bawumia for Ken TV so.
Michelle na oba fa ho fe.
E did say bia woko.
Nyame pacho so e.
Me so me ho ye pa me ho den.
Nyame ase.
Yes. Na OG
I
supported the chairman e kan ye na information is ben so e na wo wa wo san so e de ba be so me so no.
Okay, me da say. Na mo kan che fakada ni se me hwehwe no pacho. All right. Na nakua me da say na metie Kelvin Taylor audio no. Na metie audio no me tran se dwene nsem hu bebre. Na me pese ni audio ye tie ene ensem bi a ekokoso about the tribal whatever no. Me ma delegates no omuti no ma bi ase enne. Me pese ne MPP delegates hu say Sabi position here there more so omunyi flag bearer Emma MPP na ombeye presidential aspirant no. It is not a joke. It is not about school, it's not about anything, it's about wisdom to digest information, not to consume information. She said who has presidential aspirant and flag bearer it can make the MPP and it can make the NPP. It is monyankophobia sabi. I was say mo ankasa mo underestimate mo. Metimaka say mo kra na sisi a party no. Mo democracy the chairman and the friend saying general secretary. Because with decision in a sad department of Babano, you be general so they are building NPP. So it is not a joke. It is not about you being influenced by money and that's a propaganda. And you know, information be able to who said, I deny it, yes, Miss Samen because you or can the phobiness I need Masami party no. At the ledger in my best say Ghana. And intimate so delegate be don't underestimate your position. Ye affiliation to in China. Say me do Ken, me do Bawumia whatever. Na ye objective. For no correct a year duma. Ye party need the new patriotic party. Ye patriotic do party no. Na who say me share in sem na ye kana there be win sem no na beboa MPP. Win sem no na beboa Ghana. It's not about say workers so obiama misika ntina say mekoto ma no obi hu ofe ana obi e ham da bi yemfa saade no enjeje amamu inti misre delegates dem pesa me catch rom no na say dibia na kutom no dibia bia enye tip bonko so dibia so they should not underestimate the power being given to them because it can destroy the party and it can make the party. So, na Kelvin Taylor and Simo de Bay, and the mammy have started delegates and say, So sabi uye badwum ba na utie tape ya. Na so udi tuma na che say akaw kakra. So uye badwum ba na so obi ka kire say Ken de oye oboa nipa oye bold oye den nemum the koko na akaw kakra. I want na me dwene ho a me tia say no. As a delegate the bia na dem ma no sabi enye de bia ketwa. Enti manya ne say eye 4 year de bia this come out no wo de akokoto aba. That be asude pa na kutaw no. Sabi meka kra na se ufa kwati kwa mi ya enum ye kwati mi di akire. Because in kofo life she will say enti mesre Kelvin tell us more kind na kwa ye mu bi ye doken ene abodofo mu doken ene ken na nkasa na ambition no it's not about money. It's not about money at all. And just all catch them say Ken na ambition is say okoshia or you so belusi or we are or pesika kesia. Do you know the number of people investing to help Ken? It is a Ken, yes, as you can now. Or go around to pay those kind of people one and answer them. This it doesn't make sense. It's not logical. And the person who delegate, who trust now, you know, who say, and then same beer and I say, who funny says, sanity, we are sana what you know. Because I feel you're going to need the party in here power. MPP party in the back of it's me pushing Ghana colony. And this only fear the more and intimacy delegate said, Omunye very decisive, Omunye objective. No who said the right person to choose should be based on policies. Mati Kende Bebre, I'm yet to get one from Bawumia. All that I meeting say I have ideas, but ideas becomes ideas when it's being brought to bear. One would have the corner the Abami who said, oh, I didn't press it, the Kenama or church. So you cannot create not delegates Makanokura. Bawumia does not come close to Ken at all when it comes to policies. The next question go with Masabi Sandu.
Na mami busa o said you also why NPP ni a we penny wo party ni mu no wo hwe sisi ye afani afa ye papa kompreko camp Dr. Bawumia camp we true na we true e bia na wo kan say ye hwe niema e koso na opposition party betinya take ejina so a nipa bi on be choose na bia no be using someone yakase use against ye ho no e dia against 2028 who ni say this is the time it was a peace etimi we ni ansakra na prime minister matimi akọ wo dey say peace ni krampo na be we ni kwa na say ye wo dey fakadam kra keke kwa na think say no betimi ama mafo dwa koma to me yemu a ama so bi obi bebre kra e kwa akwakoto aba na o betimi e dey akoma pa na dwufa akwakoto but the way your attention ni pressure e wo party no now ne atendidi ni we akase who ni say betimi enya influence bi e wo delegate for the so
Nanakwa, me person be very objective as a supporter of Ken or say me den kure ne yeduma. Okay. And yes, me do Kenti. Yeah. You could see say there's only one side no more fighting. If I want to be objective, unim yene ye social media so ni adade de obi anim ye betima kan ye pe. Ye betima play tribal. Ye betima because phone no be na top no be the to data mai. Yeah. But those are omuye frontliners for the aspirants, no. Omu na ye concern or cause to worry. Opach them Ken ni bako. In the limelight, obi anim say we support to Ken. Or ye campaign match Ken. Wakasatia Bawumia so anas all verified. There's difference between criticism and vilification. Intino obetie kwesi party na they speak to the things that is in the public domain. But put here the other camp now, Omunia Traba and jobs. I've never heard Ken nor Nichidi Biase Ojina baby a place I had trouble. You only hear it from one camp. And we are not we play victim. I have Miss Obi Power me back. Say Obia even Kokuanan was not a campaign or a market. But because of say or you affiliated to him, I'm for me tribute in the same between or Kasatia Bawumia and John or Yinedi.
Yeah.
it shows you how unified the man is. On pay he into the being chairman assemble a freaking camper a year tribal and NASA some of my any public domain say if the fundamentals are weak, the zero that we got nina a idea is in the camwasem. But who they say about me uncle for no car, I want our sense no the share adakum na EPU. So I see one person fighting those on the social media there. Fine, I need the air supporters. And no neck needs to control, but the neck only have control over the likes of Kosi Patimo, Abua Papon, Abronye, Miracles, they are frontliners. And these are the people that you have to check because they go to the main media and I say the local, to support candidates. But what do we see? Instead of them propagating the message of their candidate, they rather turn out to be cyber and the likes. There's only one side fighting.
Oji na Council of Elders for so no who ne say as o mati abakakra na.
I don't know, say a senka anyway and can say dissolving. Say leadership is here. I am phone a very weak. And intina abronya and enya who edis handsome. And it's especially with abronya and when it comes to that, men for to Bawumia P. But the only place I am fortunate say a presidential aspirant there, and that's a candidate or person flag bearer there. So nipa na who preaches will be acting with decorum no. So once will be yes hard now, you don't bring the person to your platform. No matter so you're regional chairman or whatever. But it's up to the neck to make sure say almost sanitize system no by almost stamp of authority. Ken is not bigger than the party, Bawumia is not bigger than the party. But because of affiliations, it's making them very, very, very weak. And to me inform na so almost say one almost say pop any dey say dem way. And say because said I believe after this there should be a revamping and say changing over be our party because neck in there akuya me no buy agene we are very weak.
Na Oji nyama bebre akoso party ni eni abon hu bebre akoso ma abronye de ne kra de ama aye issue pese power party ni mu a amafo bebre tu wo mo ntia se de nko a to ni ben nko na abronye wa wotimma na no eti NPP penifo founders a chese ni na no abronye punishment bi enkoso fama no penifo ntimi friend chese no ane se oguso a wo kasa sa who is that party no it seems say as a CCR obu favor enkophobia enkophobia na another party na kasa se penifo wo mu o ma jai party na
Nyiri kakra Bernard, there were people that we look up to.
Yeah.
I feel more political in the way they digest issues, almost speaking to issues, or our politicians. But unfortunately, and I will say this with no fear, unfortunately, because of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, because I'm speaking to the things that we hear. And then one person, I'm a be any dear the moment. Mama said, and yet me scrutinize on Monsem. Nanky Ben will say, Yeka. And then acquire, let's push Bawumia's agenda. And then I'm going to be penny for the near fra. And there are some things, it work FM station or TV station say, go and campaign for the MPP and speak to what the government is doing. No way, Jai. Eduquaye Bawumia bidding. We are not catching me on most social media. Say, me women criticize Mahama. It doesn't work that way. There again, so could you baby as penny? Eka say, Obi a tribe we say, and a religion we say, to the end to mana. I hope them who say, what you more because you have the competence and the capabilities in this selective Obi. It's not affiliation or religion or tribal API. It's no case or ye Muslim and answer or ye friend say precisely whatever no. Did you look at the competence? Did you look at the policies or the message the person is carrying? Is it going to help the MPP party or is going to destroy the MPP party? See, the core contest, a bit maybe these are the things that you have to be looking at. It is all a penny, na ye boost now this hard to win a campaign there. And I'm sorry to say, now we don't regard them as a penny for you're looking up to give. I'm sorry to say this, but I have to.
Nyabema oji mami busa we nyami aduma 31st January ye ko primaries na information bebre ye saka information bebre na efa album ne ho a Dr. Bawumia camp for ompeso mo ye kululu bi fa ho a chese enya dia mo pe free and fair election we ne say adenti ena sanyema we so ewo internal election and external because in na one family other na ye election na ase a camp bi ehu ne say wo so mtisi other camp na mom up to date ne so no as far as me na so ntimi inform me ko bi ana mutimi ma abonten me ye say okay information we na e ba abonten no ebia enya no kre like I want them to do something because the way enema no e kwa ase bibia ye quiet no amafo bebre social mutrim say ade album na amafo bi e massage say results ne ba abonten kwa na say free and fair people are not going to accept it because of say rumors we nyina kwa abonten na ba abonten nya dia let e bia ba abonten ebedi banki rumors na say timi try say dia rumors ne kwa nya no kra na say even penny for press conference party ni ba so it is since as a penny for na ye din hwe as far as for so aye din hwe ama what they are thinking say 31st na waiting akwa akotro aba but I think say we say so e will influence e will 31st January so
Yeah, look at that thing say and some na okay na no I ahunte and into na yeka say with that ken no MPP will go down to the ditch. Okay, they be American ken a NP or former MP. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia former vice president. There's no way senka oh shit senka ye contester nanke ye hwe nipa na achievement inka what's the ken come close to Bawumia. Because being the vice president, there should be enormous achievement to campaign on, to tell the people of MPP and Ghana, say, my achievements in here. But rather unfortunate, say, Ken has those kind of achievement more than he does. And when Ken is talking and campaigning now, you could see practical things that this man is talking about. One thing that Ghana, I say, yentimi generate money internally. In terms for beka dollar, yache at the command GP, yenche dollar keke. First of dollar, let your export me more than your import. And two person yes hide and so then it means say I will say homegrown policies very seriously. That is what practically Honorable Kenneth is preaching. They have no message, so all they can resort to the seminar all can. 2023 NSR 2025 way. There the other aspirants will fight against one person will say oh you're okay with it because they know say a benefit you. But then trust me, this time around we will not leave any stone unturned to protect our ballot boxes. No matter what they do, it is not going to fly. 2023, even the northern region, evidence by this time around, MPP cannot win Aba without the influence of Ken. But me say first, na Adibia reacted. So your operations this time we are not reacting to nothing. Ken is cool, we are all cool. We are selling our message. Let the time comes. Then head also on the Bema on the back ballot box said happy. We will protect the Nyan delegates. Every vote will be protected. And into sa kind of who's a problems in our and that is what they want to repeat. But it's not going to work this time. Rest assured, say victory is coming 2026.
Na OG yeah audio bi elikia enam from mem na voice no every ye rabudi na bunchen na ne nsɛm a wɔka ne sɛ ɛnya adeɛ mpepefoɔ bɛtena hɔ na akanni bia abɛlidi party no bi wɔn bɛpɛ sɛ deɛ ɔbɛlidi party no ɛbɛfiri ɛyɛ north ɔnkuro mu hɔ ɛna aba na saa statement we ba abɔnten no NPP mpanimfoɔ ayɛ din yes let's be ama abɔnten as usual but me deɛ mɛma me busa question ne sɛ papa compare ko adeɛ na ɛyɛ Dr. Bawumia kɔfoɔ ɛde papa compare ko kɔfoɔ wɔ north a mu bully wo because some doors wo ho nti me akwa kompre be ka say omo ya kanfo se ba ne sese san no be ye dia na ka ya kanfo kwa ne na majority ni kwa se etena ho e ma minority fo ba be bully ye no omo fa statement ne say oye tribal politics but yura gugu na abu statement here ba but ni audio leak ya ba but nyina chi no enya dia ya te se amafo so mu se wo ye tribal politics obi akana na tuma ye din who is papa compare kun the way omu treating your party ni mu no sefata because in penifo our party ni mu penifo wa won mu nyina la koma no atom obi ye din as a ban case as na ahu ne se wonya nipa na se moja ni mu hu ne se
it's rather unfortunate, but I mean, can I say, and it's not beginning to make us say delegates, no, they should have that discerning mind to separate the wheat from the chaff. Into the beginning of their delegates, no, and nothing. Into so what tears MBR, Tanasi, never affiliation to your objective, say, a 7 if he net to say, na say na a 7 casati, nafa, and no, I don't know the informal decision. Medical can treatment are okay. On said David can say me say Erade to me pro my time for him. And me tia can I say me say 2023 and go wini yan ko be swollen headed. Sa time na bia na ko hu na time for sanko for na be say na mamu.
Yeah.
Until there two can be no a wake up call. Na me the man say I am preparing you this time. But all these kind of things no at the end, no, that is why me, as OG, even our father himself, he's not perturbed about what is going on. Though he has been speaking to some issues, but on your worry, me say, trust me. Yeah, babe, trust in yes, say, when I Joseph, no one say, from prison to governor, David from desert to king. Sana me and and you don't the things are Emma can opening eyes to see those around him and those he has really helped. Yakwana but I think say these are the things that the person had FM and nubina nyame ede papa ne namu said the beye no obenya position na wetutu na mo na namo ye because position de omotwomuta obenya na Bugri na bu dia okay say and then an person delegates etnas no mo dwene ho no mo hu say then Bugri na bu ka no wanka say yentoma Bawumia because of say why A B why C also I am a brother. So your brother no is coming to help the MPP party and Ghana at large. And that's a selfish interest na wo hye. Ɛhɔ na delegate mpɛsɛ de much more so. It is hard cabas a cast no more play no. I am telling every northerner today, and I am saying this without fear. Say abawe oman to Antone Kese Amakena. Then I believe say they don't want progress. Ebia sabi omonfanche mekai yo nene fufu number 1 southern side no and we interested because ohwe nipa last a kraman to ama no nya o man zero sana me fancy the records ntia ba yen say mutu bi man and no crampo still also or the agri hub and I say agri ministry based on the things that you people have on same you can so be play tribal you can free because upon Bibiano said the northern region hono in the moon say a bit media yes agri no into the policies or no power yes had none to the northerners no none of even Mahama any Bawumia ekwana itima anya adwene bi says ade be and it's the northern people of Ghana I'm speaking to you today say much national delegates mo dwene na mo ye northerners na sabe mo dwene in seminar bugri na buka no wa monhwɛ sɛ hwan na ɛpɛ mu progress, hwan na ɛpɛ mu mpuntuo, na hwan na ɛpɛ mu yie. Ken Oba asɛm yɛ ɔka bi a wakyerɛkyerɛ mu deɛ ɔde mo fɛ no sɛ nneɛma wɔ mu hɔ no bɛyɛ. Is it what Bugri Nabu is saying? Is it what Mahama is saying? Is it what Bawumia is saying? So are you looking for progress and now you are looking for brothership? So the people of the northern region, some me medium ways to catch them say the only person or progress at heart no Ken. That is the reason why and no man we no one kwaya mu ye hona also what ba ho and sadness ekwafi ye ha no ba be ye adwuma dem mo ho. Intina me catch them say the be na dem say delegate how ye northern no enye for bread and butter. Yes something a emu odu a odukoyi nipa either obi make MPP party and also be destroy MPP party no and obi make Ghana and also obi friends say break Ghana. So wodo my Ghana na wodo MP party a nordness this is the time I was mo kyerɛ sɛ ampa mo pe progress ɛwɔ ma brabo that's
This is the time I want some more chance and palm progress on my brabo. Oh, gee, ya da si bebre ya breno, I ya be ya kuma chichi no ebesi ya say. Na answer na ya beko no wase we chato.
that's it. Masema me twa to no na say nyema aduma on the 31st of January 2026. Abusua yesere mo. Munna mo koto abanema akompreko. The reason why I make us a monkoto abanema akompreko is not about say me say my criticize papa ne pay. When na all kuma MPP no. And so now there any sense. But and then make someone based on the policies. I am thinking of the party MPP and Ghana, not the personality Ken. The message, it resonates with time and season. And obia open se udi or mind should be another party in Biano. The first thing that you have to identify the problems of the party, the problems of Ghana. And no idea policies. It's not about cultural simulations. Say, me who say Bruni ye wait me far, but Debbie. Let your policies solve the problems of Ghanaians. Let your policies transform the people of Ghana. Let your policies Emma Ghana flag no, any Ghana passport, any Ghana card na mo pride myself no. Usoma, obey proud of it. Say, I'm part with free Ghana. And yet, cry said obi cast of fat desert so cry obi kura or the cool be manso. It will take na. What's the moment more export than import? Because our homegrown policies, and then they pay 80%, ne 20% if right amanone ediaba. It will share the okafa ya break on even your food stuffs, the uses of them after eating them, what we can use their byproducts to do. Our Ghana. And no more preaching your things are the raw materials and processing any finished goods. Then from carbon. That is the only way we can solve the dollar problems. Not sitting there, Ebenya Hoden. Ken is thinking as a Ghanaian. Now on by import no one the bottom sika. Or the ashred nipa se or employ nipa over 7,000. Now osi cardiothoracic center. Now oncology wako repair. Now mo tamale nodness no kwan wasa abaho abato plant amamo. Nothing now all the investors able to build factories at the age of 65. When him say Yamin fee or them or 70, Yamin fasa mama quickly obe free we say yet or thinking about the next generation. He is not a politician, he is a leader. And into he's not looking at leaders from 4 years, but Ken is looking afar. And into say when the woman 4 years, and no leader in Ghana, it's Makasa Semino. Mr. Delegate. The Biena there on the 31st of January. One car a compare course, more do party in Ghana there or no in the best party at the May, Madam say.
Yes, so yeah, that's the baby OG, Yakupo Shaw, see a person who may not pay, which is so nanny at the Trincomo.
Listen, Madam Shab.
I was here for any Abema or Gina to train common command ye also I been cheap and Adia my comment session one more. Like in a share now for instance so ATV and Kelly Macro.
wa edeba ENJ home deco asye aha yeton inkonya papa ewa ha sei inkonya leda no wudi si wude mu aye forever and ever just one kasa wo pese wo sesa wo inkonya no na leda no de wa wo bana wa wo besom wa wo hu atim se mi fili leda nan kasa enya de a epa enya de etete enya de a esei ani na de ye di enua aye ne so no endwa ni mu oduye ye papa ehon pa ehon sei eguwo demu a eguwo ho a chese obi eba besrawa fe eti wani mu ye pa ni nyina so ebo eda from ye pa nkonya ne de emu efe ye se de wuhu e wo screen ni so no ye wo single once wa ha se ya se wo bedroom na pese ya audit na ni ahomache wo tena se na wa dwendwen wo life ho a eno so ebusu bebre e wa ha se 2 in 1 e wa ha family size de enso e wo aha se na ENJ home deco enye inkonya kwa ena yeton ye wo center tables nyina so ebi wa ha ye wo side tables enso wa ha ene wo ko wo demu a esisi nchen wo di wo phone bi beto so charge a no so kama center table no so no flowers ni sisu a ana se wo teddy bear ne da so a fe akono ye pa yeton eye emema shirt designer shirt nkwan so ena yeton wa ha se yeton shirt papa wo betimi edi etukwan shirt a wo betimi edi akọ wedding program bia shirt a wo betimi edi akọ eyi ase shirt a ehyewo a obi hu se papa yi ana abrante de nani atiye pa because nipa de wipia bonti a wo dressing ne edi hu nipa usu ne wo ban a wo ye eti dressing de ehu hia ye pa eti no fo ani kire ENJ home deco ha se na ba beje shirt papa efa ehyewo a wankasa wo be feel gbenze within you no na ENJ enye shirt nkwan so ne sanso eton wa ha se ye wo wall posters enso wa ha ebo bedroom ebo ho a fe obi besra wa kono yi a chese eti wanim pa enya go ena midi se de hu screen so se fe ani ne bronso ewo form yesanso akwa eye wall clock so edi aba ebo wo no ho a ene enu ane se time ne so kura na opese ne time bia wo hwe wo clock no because fe design no eye one in town wa wunya bi wo ba bia age se ENJ home deco ha sei yakwa eye bathroom eye mirrors so de aba eno so no fe ye size bia bi wa ha type bia bi wa ha wo ba ENJ home deco ha wonsa ebekam tomato paste ai eduane no aso huhia wo tonya mari na siesie wo ho ne wo da mu wi a akase wo bedidi eno so ne adwe wo ho yie pa enti akwa tomato paste original one a ne bro eda from enso edi aba ubetini aba betobi yesanso ewe ye cooking oil ye fe sunflower no yakofa bi so edi aba wunim se sunflower cooking oil die eye quality eye original wodi ye aduane na se we ye mistake bi mpo na de nchibi gu mu kwa na bro so a oil no ebe solve mistake ni nyina de ama wanka se bia na do ye no na egusu ejizane na so ye pa eti no for wani chrem ewe ye ENJ home deco aha no ye wholesale and then retail o pese utu tonwa ye available wo person to ne mako so ye available wankasa wa chichi ni benchegen so na wutimi mba wo frɛ number na etwagu screen na mama comfort e de nyema no be brew e wo wankasa wo fia wo da ho no wanwa no bete pepe ENJ e na yaba no ya na yaba no ENJ home deco na ye di abrochiri abadana
so wo say ye sesem fefefe ye efi Royal Gallery e wo opekuma and nti jema me number no ni ndin kita wo die 0537 314546 0537 314546 na man na me de atuja amount from ma me no ni ndin kita wo die so person ye sese wo ba no mfanya na yo flo ana say ye sese wo ba no mfanya bibibia e fa na nanom ne ehema asem ho and dem e kan for Royal Gallery e de amount say from no no ndin kita wo die on be sese wo ba no so de ye bibi e wo school ana say mpo wo to e de amuna wo nua e wo amunane ana say wankasa wo to na wa ton bibibia la wo biala delivery baby bia wo won sebeka se wo Ghana ha se wo amonane baby bia wo bia wo fra maami a woni nbedi nkita wo de na wo so be siesie na wo ba no na wo aye fe ye papa
The foundation of every kid's education is important to every parent. That is why Leap International School is here to give your kids a solid foundation. The school that cares about its environment and seeks to transform it is one that cares about the education and well-being of its kids. The school has a playing ground, a bus to convey the kids in and out of school, as well as a well-furnished facilities and resources to groom the kids to future leaders. Not forgetting the well-learned tutors that are patient with the kids to ensure understanding is easy. They are located at Amanfrom off the Popasi Amasaman Road. For more information, call 0246 928 031 or 0246 098 067. Be part of a school that leads, learns, evolves, acts, and develops through sound education. Leap International School, the next leaders.
School na batan biara de ne baro ko hono ni yo. Oye Rainbow Montessori International School. Rainbow Montessori International School. What you from Krachi? You see JHS. The Rainbow Montessori International School from ana. What been wrong? Osane what the Montessori curriculum in a syllabus. No what the trauma na. Na teachers wo hona. When you know why degree holders what the abutana badoyan what the trauma from anadio. Na Rainbow Montessori International School. Wakitaba funyo man what the trauma from anate. It's your mama from an not doing boy wrong. Wakita Ultra Modern Science Laboratory, Computer Laboratory, Library and Research Center, Art and Sculpture Laboratory, Hygienic Canteen, now for a clinic. Namoya Nika 1 point there. Rainbow Montessori International School, or your boarding house. Into Unfahu Baby Awabiara, Wawa from Batuma School, on Founder Watakwa, Takrade, Elibo, Cape Coast, Accra, Kumasi, one boarding house facilities now, or your modern standard. Now, wash your papa, it's your house master and house mistress. What you want to a boarding house no? It's your new Robiara, Bambo, another security in the sure. It's if we from Anabra, the Ebu Rainbow Montessori International School, Ewatakwa in Soyem, opposite police station. It is said Ubaba Rainbow Montessori International School. To what you nada? What's an Wabat Shana the Papa? Emanazamsna, what channel 111. It's quite you want mission forms. Ewa Hantaman Raban, Watakwa Soyem branch. Frayane 0277 100 823. Rainbow Montessori International School. In Moframa Wanda China one fapim. Oshasuaha. It's a Hana Bartan Biara. Ordinamo from a river.
JLK Guest House and Event Center, nestled in the serene town of Efiduase Koforidua in the eastern region. So buckle up, because this place is a blend of comfort and local charm that you won't want to miss. First off, let's talk accommodations, because after a long day of exploring, a cozy bed is exactly what you need. JLK Guest House offers a variety of rooms, from luxurious executive suites to comfortable standard rooms. Each room showcases a blend of modern amenities and traditional aesthetics, perfect for both relaxation and getting a taste of local culture. Feeling hungry? The on-site restaurant will tantalize your taste buds with both international and local cuisines. Imagine enjoying a plate of steaming hot jollof rice or sinking your teeth into some freshly grilled tilapia, all while soaking in the vibrant atmosphere of Ghana. Now, let's not forget the conference hall and event center, which can hold up to 250 people. Whether it's a high-powered business meeting or a lavish wedding, this space is equipped to handle it all, ensuring every event is as seamless as it is memorable. And guess what? The real magic of JLK isn't just in its facilities, but in the warmth of the staff. Here, everyone is treated like family, so whether you're a first-timer or a frequent visitor, you'll leave feeling like part of the community. So whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat after a day of adventure, a spot for your next big event, or just a cozy corner to enjoy a meal, JLK Guest House and Event Center in Efiduase is your go-to destination. Trust me, it's not just a stay, it's an experience. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, bring your adventurous spirit, and let's make some unforgettable memories at JLK.